Crystal, this is Steve over here at Jackie Cooper Infinity, and I've got a white 2013 QX56 that I thought you might be interested in. Giving you a quick tour around the passenger side here. It's got the power hatch, of course. It's the wheat interior. It's in great shape. Of course, it's got the power flip down third row. You can see it also has a theater package. Peek at the third row there. Oh, also has the all-weather floor mats. On into the second row. Nice leather seats. Theater package. Of course, it has the tri-zone climate control. It even has rear heated seats for you. And then on up here into the driver's seat. Of course, all your window and mirror controls, seat memory, power liftgate in the rear, steering wheel controls for your stereo, Bluetooth audio, cruise control, source on the radio, display, tachometer, speedometer, all those, navigation, a round view camera, stereo, climate control. Of course, it's got the dual climate control up front. And then even down here, you've got the heated seats for the front, the heated steering wheel, and it even has the power fold down second row in the event that you wanted to do those from up front. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. Of course, it's even got the sunroof in the back, in the front. Automatically pops up if you need it to, so easy access to the third row. I think this one checks off a lot of your boxes. Love to have you come by and take a look at it. Give me a call, 918-806-8233. Again, Steve at 918-806-8233. Thanks a lot, Crystal. Bye.